It's an honor to be your friend, and the relationship between China and the USA is going to be better than ever before.
我始终认为，中美之间的共同利益大于分歧，中美各自成功是彼此的机遇，中美关系稳定是世界的利好。双方合则两利，斗则俱伤，应当做伙伴而不是对手，相互成就，共同繁荣，走出一条新时代大国正确相处之道。我期待着同总统先生就事关两国和世界的重大问题交换意见，共同为中美关系这艘大船领好航，掌好舵，让2026年成为中美关系继往开来的历史性、标志性年份。
You and I have known each other now for a long time. In fact, the longest relationship of our two countries that any president and president has had. And that's, to me, an honor. We've had a fantastic relationship. We've gotten along. When there were difficulties, we worked it out. I would call you, and you would call me. And whenever we had a problem, people don't know, whenever we had a problem, we worked that out very quickly. We're going to have a fantastic future together. Such respect for China, the job you've done. You're a great leader. I say it to everybody. You're a great leader. Sometimes people don't like me saying it, but I say it anyway because it's true. I only say the truth. And I just want to say on behalf of all of the great delegation that we have the greatest businessmen, the biggest, and I guess the best in the world. So I really look very much forward to our discussion. It's a big discussion. There are those that say this is maybe the biggest summit ever. It's an honor to be with you. It's an honor to be your friend. And the relationship between China and the USA is going to be better than ever before.